how to contact YouTube TV customer service or customer support. You want to Google search for YouTube TV support. You can do this on a PC or your phone and click on the first article that pops up. Now you will choose a topic which is similar to the issues which you are facing. For example, if you're having trouble with setting up YouTube TV, you will click on that article and then you want to click on Contact Us. The button is going to be located in the same spot for all articles. Now I need help with, and you will click on YouTube TV. And what can we help with? I will say something like not working. So once you type your issue here, then you will click on Next, and then you want to select whichever best describes your issue, and again you will click on Next. Now you will see all of these articles and help, but if it doesn't help you, you can again click on Next, and then right here you will see the options to chat with YouTube TV support. You can send them an email, and also you can call them. Hours of operation here, if you click on it, it is going to display when they are open. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.